Welcome to today's introduction of MAILISSA and the connector Trello. I'm Anna and I will show you how to transfer emails to Trello. First, start MAILISSA and select the Trello application. Once selected, the configuration for Trello will open. Select the option Create Card and choose the desired board. In addition to changing the mail subject, you can optionally add a due date to the card. Then select one of the lists of the Trello board and optionally assign people directly to the card. Click on the Transfer button and the transfer is complete. In Trello, the email can be found in the list In Progress under the name Test Card. When you open it, you can see all the previously added information. With the option Update Card, already created cards can be selected and changed in Trello. That was a simple transfer with MAILISSA. More information can be found on the website.